Welcome to Verbyo. This tutorial will show you how to create an Instagram organic campaign to promote your profile using our word-of-mouth marketing solution. The idea is straightforward. People will create a post on their Instagram wall or stories using your uploaded creative and text and tag your Instagram profile. Once they do this, their followers will find out about you. If they like what they see, they will visit your profile and follow you. This way, you will increase your visibility and get followed by people who love your content, improving the quality of your followers' database. A relevant follower audience will help you to monetize your Instagram profile better. For this example, we will promote our Verbyo Instagram profile. Let's start with setting up your campaign details. Set up a name for your campaign. Pick a unique name so you can find it easier among your other campaigns. Next, upload a campaign cover, enter a name for your ad, and the Instagram profile. Once you finish the campaign details, notice the preview for your campaign. This preview shows how we will present your campaign to our Verbyo users before they post. The next step is audience targeting and distribution. Here you will decide who is going to post your ad. You can choose people by country, state, city, age, and gender. Only the people that meet these requirements will be notified to post your content. We will choose to distribute this ad all over the United States, using people from 18 to 70 years old, because Verbyo is useful for everybody. Now let's move on to the essential part of your campaign creation: creating and designing your post. Choose the social media network you would like your ad to be posted on, and then choose the placement of the ad. For example, you can ask people to post on their personal wall or stories. The text of your ad must be personal, and it should look like the user wrote it. You can insert a link in this text, but the link would not be valid if you chose Instagram as a distribution network. Enter the handle for your Instagram user that you would like to be tagged in your ad when people post on their walls or stories. Make sure you type it correctly. Upload a photo or a video that is relevant to your content. This is very important since Instagram users are visual persons. Therefore, your creative needs to be eye-catchy and also to reflect your content. We will upload a colorful picture, hoping that we will attract the eye of the users and check our post. The preview below shows how your post will look when users post on their social wall or stories. You can enter other requirements for your post. This way, users will have more pieces of information on how to post your ad. Final step: campaign budget and payment. You decide how much money a user gets when posting your ad and how many people you want to post. Each post represents a unique person. So if you choose 1,000 posts, this means that 1,000 unique people will post your ad. Congratulations! You are ready to launch your campaign. Take a look at your campaign summary, and if everything is okay, launch it. Once launched, the campaign is sent for approval by one of our staff members, and if approved, the relevant users will be notified to start posting. You can check the performance of your campaign from your dashboard. Thank you for using Verbyo. If you have any other questions, you can contact us using our live support channel or by sending us an email.